Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Emporia EV charger schedule settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling the Emporia EV charger schedule settings, ensure your EV charger is powered on. Access the Emporia app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in to your account if prompted. Navigate to the Settings tab within the app. Locate the Schedule option in the Settings menu. Tap on the Schedule option to access your current charging settings. Review the charging schedule currently set for your EV charger. To delete a specific charging schedule, find the schedule you wish to uninstall. Swipe left on the schedule entry. This will reveal the Delete option. Tap on the Delete button to remove the selected schedule. Confirm the deletion when prompted to ensure the schedule is removed. If you wish to delete multiple schedules, repeat the process for each schedule entry. After all unwanted schedules have been deleted, return to the main settings page. Now, verify that no schedules remain in the list. Once confirmed, exit the app. Your Emporia EV charger schedule settings have now been successfully uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.